Can I make money posting videos on YouTube? Hello everyone and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I will be answering the question, can I make money posting videos on YouTube? I obviously will be using my own experiences with running a small YouTube channel on Teach Me Money Methods to answer this question. Can I make money posting videos on YouTube? Well, the short answer of course is yes. However, this will depend on your work ethic, your commitment to the process, your consistency of posting videos, and how creative you are. I will say that out of millions of YouTube channels, only a small percentage of them will actually make money with their channel. Also, the channels that do end up making money on their channel don't do it overnight. It can take over a year to get to the needed 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. With Teach Me Money Methods, it took about 1 year to get the channel monetized. I had almost 2,000 subscribers before I got to the 4,000 watch time hours. Most people will get to the 1,000 subscribers before they get the 4,000 watch hours. Let me show you some stats on some of my videos to show you that yes, you can make money from posting YouTube videos. You also can make money from ads if your channel is monetized. The other way that I recommend making money posting videos on YouTube is to do affiliate marketing with your videos. You can put a link in your video description that has something to do with what you talked about in the video, and when viewers or subscribers click the link and purchase, then you will get a commission for driving that traffic. This is actually what I discuss in my small YouTube Big Profits course. If you want to know how I pumped out 130 videos on my channel, Teach Me Money Methods, in the first year, got monetized, and made over $12,000 the last 6 months from this channel, then click the link in the description to learn more about the course. Now let me show you some of my videos and how much money I made from them. All right, so we're here in my YouTube dashboard into the analytics page. I'm going to show you a couple of different styles of videos where, one of them, how much money I've made from just the ad revenue alone from being partnered with YouTube. And then also, because that's what the majority of people are kind of wondering about. Hey, I get my YouTube channel up and running, and how much money will YouTube pay me for having this this channel and posting these videos, right? I'm going to show you how much money you can make from that. Even just from my small YouTube channel. Yes, the CPMs on every channel is different depending on what niche you're in. But certainly inside this one, I have a pretty decent CPM, and I'll show you that. But then I'm also going to show you how much money posting one video can make you for doing affiliate marketing. So in that intro, I showed you that there's ad revenue you can make, and then there's affiliate marketing revenue you can make by putting a link in the description. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of both, right? And I think that at the end of the day, you'll agree with me that the affiliate marketing piece is much more lucrative, and you can make money faster on your YouTube channel by doing that. And I want to show you both, right? So let's go ahead and go into, for example, I'm going to type over here. I'm going to just type in PLR with the videos. I only have a few. I only have about 5 videos that I've made on the channel about PLR. Some of them have done, actually, I think most of them have done pretty dang well. So what you can do is you can come over to your video and you can just click on the analytics button. And this one I know is my most popular video that I've had on the channel. And you can see that since this has been posted, I think that this has been published for about 372 days. So it's been published for a year now. And this video has made me $140. Just this one video made me $140 from YouTube paying me. And it's only had less than 14,000 views. That's like pretty incredible. And then it's brought in 708 subscribers. So, almost a third of the subscribers that I have on the channel came from one video. So that's the power of this, right? Yeah, so up here I had it since published. And then what we can do is we can come over here to revenue. And then on this video, I had a CPM. So I've had a CPM of $67 per 1,000 views, and the RPM is 10, but I believe because it's a little skewed because the channel has only been monetized for a few months, right? So if I actually come back over here and maybe if I just go into 90 days on this, you will see that this video alone has has an RPM of $33. So every 1,000 views, I'm getting paid $33 on this particular video. So pretty cool, right? And if every video was like this, then you would obviously want to continue making exact videos like this and see how you can replicate that video, right? So this is the example of, how much money, a very successful video that YouTube is paying me on this one, right? But now I want to show you, we're going to go back to channel content. I want to show you even just a recent, I've made a lot of money on thousands of dollars on affiliate marketing with my YouTube channel. And that's recommending really high quality products, and it fits with the niche that you're in, right? So you're not just trying to sell stuff to your subscribers and viewers, but you're actually trying to offer them value, and in return, if they want to pick up your product that you're recommending, and you build a trust with your following. That's another key point as well, right? So we're going to come over here. And now I'm just going to look at a video I just did the other day, which is this right here. This was actually a product launch. So I published this video 3 days ago on February 12th. It has almost 300 views, and we'll go into the analytics there, right? So this it was particularly like a coloring book kit that I was, informing my viewership and subscribers about. So as you can see, the video only made almost $3 in YouTube ad revenue. So this is definitely not, if you're trying to do this as a full-time job, you wouldn't base it off of, you wouldn't just continue posting videos like this if you were only making $3, because you would need to, publish a ton of videos in order to make any kind of substantial income, right? But and it did bring in some subscribers and had some good watch time hours, and those are the metrics that are important. You want to continue to just grow your channel, right? But what I want to show you is that this is the affiliate marketing piece, right? So inside of this this video, I have a link right here. These two links right here are affiliate links to the product, to get Adventure Robots Coloring Pack with my bonuses here. And if people click over there and they actually want to buy the product, they will buy that product. And then I can show you right here that that video made $300. This made me $300. I made 29 sales right here. So 29 sales from the one product, and it brought me $300. So I hope that the light's turning on for you, that, with this kind of structure, that you can make really good money from a YouTube channel, but you have to know what you're doing. You have to do it right. And if you, don't know where to begin with your YouTube channel, and you've always been kind of stuck with your YouTube channel, or you're stuck on an idea and you just don't know how to get to that next point, and maybe what you should actually, publish, or what niche to get into, then check the link out in my description below, where I have my latest course that just came out a couple weeks ago. It's called Small YouTube Big Profits. It takes you by the hand. It's 3 hours long, and it takes you by the hand and shows you exactly what to do, niche research, the whole works on how I made Teach Me Money Methods, this channel, a success, and made over $12,000 in the last 6 months on the channel, how I publish videos regularly, and how you can do this too. So if you are interested in creating a YouTube channel to make money, like I'm doing on this channel, then go ahead and click that link below and just check it out. It might be for you, it might not be for you. And I did price the course to help everybody. Most of my courses are going to go for $97 as a regular price. But this one is going for $47 everyday price. So I feel like that's a good price that everyone can pick up from. You're going to get a high quality teaching style, and you could be on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel as well. If I can do this, I'm just a regular guy. There's nothing special about what I'm doing. But if I can do it, then anyone can do it, and I'd love to teach that to you. So go ahead and check that out. I appreciate your time today. I hope that this was informative. I hope that this was motivating to you. I am going to be putting out more videos like this on how to make money from YouTube as well. And so if you're interested in this and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.